Hi, welcome back to another watch review video, and today we have the fantastic Omega Speedmaster, the first watch worn on the moon. So we're going to get the back off this and show you the movement. So the case back there stamped with flight qualified by NASA for all manned space missions, the first watch worn on the moon. And the case back reference is there 145.0022, 345.0022. Now, this is the later version, so I think it's referring to the 345.0022. And this ran from the late 90s, probably 96, 97 into early 2000s. And this is the caliber 1861, and it has the plexiglass. So some of the more modern ones went to the sapphire, but the plexiglass is the one you want. That's more traditional. And you can see this is a fantastic rhodium plated movement built on the original Speedmaster movements. And there you can just see when you start and stop the functionality of it. It is absolutely fantastic. It's just a workhorse, this movement. Manual wind, obviously, there's no automatic mechanism, and they just run and run. So there's the movement. So if you're thinking of buying one, that's the movement you should have. Anything else, it's not original. So the case and bracelet are in good condition. The glass, it must have been replaced or polished, because that just looks beautifully clear, no scratches on that. The Omega Speedmaster Professional stamped on the clasp. Just pops open there. Just spring loaded. You can see the springs there. It's nice and clean, this. I'll just shut that down for you. All stainless steel. I just love the black dial with the hands. The hands are so bold. They do really pop out on the wrist. I think it is a classic design. Timeless design, really, and I can see why they make so many versions. There's so many. I think that there's hundreds of them, but they keep coming out with different ones. But it's probably one of the Omega's best-selling watches. Cannon pinion's nice and free, not too tight. There, just stop the seconds. So when you're setting a watch what has no hack lever or start-stop spring on the balance, you just put the hands into handset and just wind them back slightly, and it should stop the seconds. That means it's been set up correctly, and that's how you set the seconds hand on a watch like this. So what do you think? Do you like the Speedmaster? Have they overdone it with all the different models over the years? Or is this the classic one you would go for? Very traditional. Tell me what your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.